Hello? I'm ready for the next delivery.
Winston, there is a parcel waiting for you at a shop at the north side of St. Monique City. The Palm Royal are preparing for their big Vicennial celebrations. You are to transport something they ordered as part of their grand finale.
Oops.
Oh, you're here to pick up the Kiloton Calamity? Great, it's out back. Where do you need me to sign? Just wait for a moment before you load it up, okay?
Huh. Okay.
Ow!
Seems my time at the farm was good for something. Oops. That was weird. Whoa, shit!
That's never played that. Face the music. Carve it out. Cover your ears.
This is a scratch.
Enough! Cut it down! You're nuts!
Eye for an eye.
Cut down!
This is the end.
Now you've done it! Got brakes?
Shredded to bits.
This is the end! Take cover. That's it! Metal on metal!
Take cover.
Yikes!
Take cover!
Let me.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, he just shredded to bits.
Holy smoke!
Oh, shit. Watch out!
Take that. Let's settle this.
Shred it to bits!
Nice.
I've had it! Cut off! I've had it! Holy smokes!
Yikes.
Are you sure that I should sign for this, sir? I'm just a bellboy, and this doesn't seem right.
Can you believe that the customer paid extra for additional packaging, Winston? What nonsense! I ignored that, of course, and was able to save money for the company. A good businessman is always searching for ways to save money, Winston. Remember that.
Oops. Excuse me. Hello? I'm ready for the next delivery.
Winston, there is a customer with a parcel waiting for you outside of the Sunset Sip.
Oops.
You're nuts. That's it.
Hey, over here.
Enough.
Hey, pal. Glad you showed up. I just need you to load up this crate of fresh melons.
Don't believe a word that man tells you. Those fruits are far from fresh. They stink to high heaven. He tried to fool me first, as if I wouldn't recognize inferior products.
Honest mistake, miss. Someone must have pulled one over on me by selling bad produce.
Oops. Crap.
Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. We've got a pressing matter to discuss today. It's time to talk about that most discomforting predicament known as constipation. Uh-oh. Looks like the pipes are clogged, folks. But don't you worry.
Watch
melons.
Hey, buddy, what's your name?
Winston, at your service.
Pleasure to meet you, Winston. First off, I need you to drive to Sunkissed Farms. I bought these melons for cheap. Never mind what the old broad says. We'll find a buyer, just you wait. There's nothing wrong with these fruits that can't be fixed with a bit of razzle-dazzle.
Oh, shit. Oh, jeez. Just a scratch.
Buddy of mine works here. Says I can borrow their pesticide washer. No problem.
You blind? Fight me! Oh, I'm rich. Yikes.
They're going through. Hurry up and catch them.
Ooh, yikes.
That takes care of the smell. Next stop is Dave's Dies.
So many melons.
Don't drop them.
Don't drop them. Watch the melons.
Watch the melons.
You park the car under the outlet and give it a good spritzing while I go talk to my buddy, the foreman. Hey, Freddy, old buddy, how's the missus? Come on, Winston, get going. I can only keep him distracted for so long. Oh, crap.
Jeez.
Yikes!
It's just a scratch.
Look at that marvelous shine. Now, bring them over to the Sunset Sip.
Ooh, yikes.
The melons.
Watch the
Oh, now these look excellent. I hope this taught you a valuable lesson about trying to get past me with inferior merchandise.
Thanks a bunch, partner. I'm off to celebrate this little caper with a drink. I'll probably choose some other joint, though.
I should hurry back till we deliver.
Ever had one of those days where your kettle's just a tad too close to boiling? Where the car in front takes an eternity at the green light, or the toast? Oh, the toast always seems to burn. Yours truly was right there with you, huffing and puffing over every little... Then I stumbled on cool and collected courses. Now, instead of blowing my top, I'm breezing through like a cucumber in a cool summer salad. Traffic jams, just more me time. Burnt toast, an unexpected crunch. Want to trade that short fuse for a long, relaxing breath?
Oh, damn.
Give cool and collected a whirl. Your blood pressure, and probably everyone around you, will thank you.
Whoops!
Ah, Mr. Green, I presume.
Yeah.
I'm Gordon Victus. My apologies, Mr. Green, but we are closed at this hour. Hence why I'm sitting here, guard dog as I am. Woof.
Right. Would you mind opening the gate now?
Would I mind? Why, of course not, Mr. Green. Of course not. A quick question before you go, though, if I may.
Yeah?
I have 3 heads. Cut off 1, I become stronger. Cut off 2, I become 10. Who am I?
What?
Think on it. You go on in now.
What the hell?
Mr. Green, was it? Seems you're late. My father used his heart for a compass once again, I see.
He insisted I be compensated for today's misunderstanding.
Well, he is a gentleman. This morning, couldn't shake a feeling of deja vu. Do I know you from somewhere?
Doubt it, sir. I'm from a...
Farmer's boy, south of New Reed, I heard. Why, Johannesburg, Copperhead?
Tannerson.
Is that right? Huh, interesting.
Yeah? Why is that?
Not a lot of...
Winston, you're back. How did it go?
Well, all things considered...
He's late.
Give the man a break, Donnie. Remember your first day here.
Hardly comparable. Oh, wait a second. What do you mean, first day?
Winston, I've done some thinking. We could use another hand.
For the love of...
Don't mind Donnie, he'll come around, you'll see.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mention it. Well, it's getting late. See you Monday morning?
You bet.